In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily copy a story link on Facebook. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Here you'll see stories from your friends. Let's say you want to open a specific story. Tap on the story to view it. To share the story via link, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the story. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. You'll see a notification confirming that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Now, you can open any social media platform or messaging app to share the link with a friend. For example, you can create a new note or message and paste the URL you just copied. You might notice that part of the URL includes a question mark and some extra symbols. This part is unnecessary, so you can remove everything from the question mark onward to simplify the link. After cleaning up the URL, copy the enter link and share it with anyone you like. Important note: keep in mind that Facebook stories are only available for 24 hours. After that, they will only be accessible to the original author. So, even if you share a link to a story, it won't be available after the 24-hour period has passed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.